Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the family daily app review to see if it worth using. So in this video we're going to quickly dive into this mobile app and quickly assess and review the app based on the collective data. So let's quickly dive into it. The family daily app helps families stay connected with shared calendars, to-do lists and reminders all in one place. It's easy to use and keep everyone organized with real-time update and notifications. That said, some users mention occasional synchronization delays and a limited customization option, which can be very annoying. So in conclusion, the app is still helpful tools for users of busy families, though it could benefit from smoother performance. And that's it. I hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.